Here we have a 2023 BMW R1250 GS Trophy factory low, which has covered 8,338 miles, and as you can see is in immaculate overall condition. This bike features panniers, top and bottom crash bars, auxiliary lights and heated grips. This bike was serviced by BMW 26 miles ago. We have a CIF 50 of this bike, which is an anti-corrosion protection. But as you can see, this bike's in super clean condition and it's been really well looked after.